It's been a long, long time coming, and we hope it's worth the wait. After months of uncertainty, we are all set for the first ever spectatorless boys and girls champs. And look, the next 5 days will be bigger than whether Jamaica College can break the recent KC Calabar stranglehold on the Mortimer Geddes Trophy, or if Edwin Allen can make it 7 titles in a row. The fact is that the staging of this event could have wider implications for the overall reopening of sports in Jamaica. News emerging is that from the pre-champs testing of athletes and officials, some have come back positive for COVID-19, but that was expected. Let us not press the panic button and call off the champs. Athletes and officials come from the general population, so doing hundreds of tests, positive results are expected. And the fact that testing is taking place actually puts them in a position to monitor and manage the cases. So regardless of what happens over the next 5 days, let us proceed with the execution of the spectatorless boys and girls champs with a view of this becoming the blueprint for the short-term presentation of general sports in Jamaica. Because every time I open my eyes, I thank the Lord. Said Champs. Yes, Champs are key.